Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome. It's Mindy. I'm glad you're here. New and old alike. I keep saying that, and then I apologize. You're not old. Anyhow, thank you for being here. I'm so excited with this one. This is from DPClubs, and as I was taking these out, they come in the little package, little plastic package. As I was taking them out of those and flattening them out and getting them ready to show you guys, I got more and more excited every one I opened. Every single one I opened, I was like, oh my God, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. There's totally a theme here. You can probably already figure out what it is. I'm just going to tell you, it's a theme. I think everyone that was listed in this category, I think. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. I can't wait to show you these. They're so cute. All right. Every single one of them comes with this toolkit. Your boat, your pen, your wax, so that you can do the diamond painting. Are you ready to see these? Okay, this might take a minute. I think there's 5 of them. But look at it. Isn't it cute? It's a birdhouse and the cardinals. We got 3 cardinals and we got 2 chickadees. No, we got 3 chickadees. There's one up there sitting on their birdhouse. That one looks very Christmassy. Poinsettias around it. I love that. I love it. All right, it's got 15 different drills. And we're going to go through these quickly. Going to make a mess, but that's all right. Oh my goodness. I'm looking at the other package over there and I'm like, what is that drill? Wait till we get there. Wait till we get there. Okay, let's go through these. We're going to go pretty quick. Oh my gosh. Let's start out with white and red AB. Why not? We have white poinsettias, red poinsettias. These are probably more pink, but AB. Yay. Some clear red rhinestones, a couple of greens, brownish color, goldish brown, gray, yellowy orange. And then here's our specials. There's some orange. We have some marquee. We have my favorite little snowflake looking ones. Some teardrops. Some reddish orange teardrops. And then those. Those are so pretty. Look at those. They're going to go right here. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. See, I am so excited by these, you guys. So excited. I want to do all of them. Like, no. Okay, next one. Next. Look at that. We have the Gingerbread Bird house. Why not, right? With the 2 cardinals, male and female. 2 cardinals at the gingerbread. 14 drills. This is when I saw special stuff. I got excited. Special stuff. I mean, they all have specials. But these are extra special specials. Can there be such a thing? Extra special specials? Yes, there can, Mindy. Yes, there can. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh. Let's start out again with an AB. The other ones were faceted. This is a smooth, like a pearl. And we have pretty golden color. Okay, these, oh my gosh, I love these. These are not just the clear rhinestones. Can you tell that they have AB coating? Can you tell that those are different than just, hang on, did this one have clear? I think it did, didn't it? Okay, yes, it did. All right, look at these 2. Look at them next to each other. Do you see the difference? Do you see the difference? These are pink and green and whatnot. And trust me on it. Orange, red. What do I call that color? Brown? It's not brown. It's tan. It's not orange. What is it? I don't know. Green. Okay, here we go. Here we go. White pearls. Yellow flowers. Yes. Purple. What are those? The gumdrops. Purple gumdrops. Red pearls. And then we have our marquees. We have shards. And we have these. Okay, this one is fantastic. This is, if I could fit this in before Christmas, I would do this one. Like, oh, I gotta finish the gnomes. I'm working on the special drill gnomes. They're almost done. I'm working on those. Okay, next. Next. Okay, oh, you know what? Oh my gosh, I just unboxed this from another company as a full drill. I just did, like 5 minutes ago. So I have this as a full drill from a different company, and here it is as a special drill. I did not know I did that. Huh. This one has 11 drills. The Cardinals have no drills at all on them. I don't even think that's a, oh, that one, that's one spot. Okay. And that one has 2 spots. That one has a couple dots. But anyhow, wow, that's interesting. I did not know I did that. I must have liked that picture, right? Wow. Yeah, the wreath, the Cardinals. At first, when I looked at it as a full drill, I thought it was in front of a door. And then, no, that's a window. That's a window. And this must be the window ledge or whatnot. And they got things on the window ledge with the wreath and the Cardinals. So pretty. Okay, let's look at these. Okay, so I'm telling you, I'm loving it. Let's start out with the green AB. Isn't that pretty? And then there is those iridescent ones. They are not just like the clear rhinestones, you guys. They are, can you tell? They're picking up pink and blue and purple, and they're so pretty. I love these. These look so good on a painting. A couple of greens. That amber, that's the word I'm looking for. Red, and just some regular black drills. A little bit of gold. And we have red, smooth pearls, green marquee, and there's those again. The red, shiny teardrops. I love those. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm going to have to hire me a team. I'm ready to hire a team. Come diamond paint. Mindy's Diamond Moment Painting Team. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. I love all of these, you guys. I love them all. I'm going to call these guys rose-breasted grosbeaks. I don't know if they are. I could be wrong. No, I'm probably wrong. Because rose-breasted grosbeaks just have a little red here. They don't have all this. But they wouldn't be robins either. I don't know what they are. Anyhow, there's 16 drills for this. They're, again, at a bird feeder. And their bird feeder's all decorated for Christmas. Now, the birds would probably eat all that, right? But pretty. Look at the stars. The stars are going to be specials. The ribbon has specials. Around their throat is specials. What kind of birdie are you? You can't be a robin. You just, that wouldn't make any sense. I don't know what they are. All right. Oh my gosh, you guys. These people, I don't know who manufactured these, whichever factory made these, but they are kicking it right out of the park. Look at, there's those iridescent rhinestones again. Red, a green AB, the blue, smooth AB, gold, amber, greens. Oh my gosh, look at that pretty teal color. The red smooth. How about some gold smooth? All right. Then we have, oh, those are picking up purple like crazy. Oh, they are so picking up purple. Those are so pretty. Is it reflecting out? I don't have purple on. I don't know. Reddish orange. There's the orange claw looking ones. Okay. We have stars and, oh, we do have stars. And let's throw in one more AB, yellow AB. We do have stars here. Look, they're peppered all over the place because this is like nighttime. I love it. I told you guys. I told you. I'm in love with every single one of these. I would have a hard time picking one. Hey, that's what you can do. You can pick one below. Pick one, just one. Which one do you like the best? Which one would you do first? Let me know. Look at that one. All right, happy holidays on that bird feeder. They're all at the bird, no, they're not all at the bird feeder. One's at the window. Everybody else is at a bird feeder. I love it. Just love it. And again with the Cardinals. 3 Cardinals on this one. Happy holidays. And then we got these snowflakes. The stripes, you don't drill the stripes at all. Or the like wooden background, you don't drill that at all. Look at how pretty. Look at these big old globs we're going to get here. Big ones. We're going to get some big ones. 13 different kinds of drills. 13 of them. DPClubs. Oh my gosh. I just went crazy on these. I got as many as they would have let me. I think they're all like $5 maybe, or $6. 5 or 6. I don't know. I'll link them below for sure because I know you're going to want them. I just know you're going to, right? Okay. You go up here. You're in my way. Okay. Let's start out with the blue. Smooth, pearl, AB. Amber. 2 ambers. a light amber and a dark amber. I feel like I'm drinking beer now. Is that a beer? Amber? I don't know. There's those pretty iridescent ones again. Green, red, light yellow. Then let's have some white pearls. Some of our snowflakes. Here's those big ones. The big ones. Look at that. Some pretty little pearl teardrops. Some marquees in 2 different colors. The orangey red ones and the clear iridescent ones. I love these. Okay, I just went crazy. And every one I opened, I just got more and more excited for each one. Okay, now, here's your job. Here is your job. There's Happy Holidays. There's the original first one with the chrysanthemums. Chrysanthemums. We have this one with the bird. I don't know what it is. We have this one at the window. The Cardinals at the window. There's one more. Hang on. The gingerbread one. Oh my gosh. Okay. Which one? Pick one. Tell me which one, guys. I'm going to try to do one of them before Christmas. Tell me which one. Okay? Thank you, DPClubs. I think DPClubs is one of those places that I will find things first, like new stuff. They'll pop up there, like before some of the other sites. It's kind of fun. I always try to find the new stuff, and these were definitely some new things. So, thank you so much for letting me get 5 of them. I would have gotten more. I think there might have been more. I don't know. All right, tell me which one, guys. Tell me which one, and thanks for watching. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.